Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here's a quick and easy selfie point for party decor or wall decor idea.
If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon. And if you like the video, please do like and share.
So I'm taking a crepe paper sheet here, which is often 1 meter by half meter in measurement. So let's open it and start folding it back and forth, just the way we fold to make a paper fan. Make nice crease while folding. Fold it back, make a crease, fold it forward, make a crease, and so on. Once you are done folding, fold it into half. And press again to make a crease. Open, and using a large stapler, staple it. You may also use a thread to fasten the center. Now take 2 folds from both the sides and use a smaller staple to staple them together. And on the top again staple it. I would recommend stapler for this instead of glue because it will be faster and easier. Flip it. Now let's conceal the center, and for that I am making a small circle using a pattern paper. We have our circle like this. Use hot glue or Fevicol to stick it on the center. It's as easy as that. Can be done within 5 minutes. Make some more using different sizes, like 2/3 of the paper and a few with 1/3 of the paper, crepe paper sheet. Follow the same procedure. Different colors if you wish, different sizes. Now set it on the wall using double-sided tape. Let's see how to make this golden colored background. Just take one of the fans and spray golden color all over the paper, and you're done. Please try this and let me know how it came out. Like, share and subscribe. See you next week. Bye.